I just want to start by saying everyone, give or take, maybe one or two people in your entire class will share the exact same fear as you. This fear is speaking in front of people. You will learn this for yourself pretty early on, though. Public speaking rarely comes naturally to anyone, and many people our age don't have much experience doing it. Obviously, even with this knowledge, you will still be nervous before every speech. I wish I could say it gets easier each time, but I was even more nervous for my second speech than my first for whatever reason. But the important thing to remember is that everyone gets nervous, so no one in the room is judging you or going to hold the words you stumble over against you. I'm warning you now, there are two speeches that you will have about a minute to prepare for in class, so look out for those. But other than that, you will be given plenty of time to write and practice your speech, and practicing your speech is so important. Of course, practicing it in front of an audience will be the most beneficial, but even just saying it in front of a mirror a few times the day before will help so much. I obviously assumed that practicing my speech would be beneficial, but I didn't realize how beneficial. Reading it through alone helps you see which words you might struggle pronouncing and what doesn't flow. You also become more comfortable knowing someone is watching. The more times you read and practice your speech, the more natural it will seem when it comes time to present it in class. You also can't ever expect that everyone will like your speech or agree with what you have to say. You are going to mess up and/or need to take a deep breath during, which is all okay. So as long as you try to present the best possible version of your speech without putting too much pressure on yourself, you will do just fine in this course. You will be happy to hear that all of the stress, nervousness, and uncomfortableness will pay off. I have definitely noticed that I have felt more at ease talking in front of my calm class and in my other classes towards the end of the semester compared to the beginning of the year. I can't say that I was totally comfortable, but I have definitely seen some improvements in myself.